In the heart of Cyberabad, a new era of policing is taking flight. IPage UMS, in partnership with the Cyberabad Police, is leading the way with cutting-edge drone technology. Empowering our law enforcement, IPage UMS provides specialized training to the Police Training Center. Officers are equipped with the skills needed to operate drones effectively for monitoring traffic, enforcing laws, and ensuring public safety. With real-time surveillance capabilities, drones offer a bird's-eye view, allowing officers to monitor large areas continuously and respond swiftly to any security threats. Rapid response is crucial in emergencies. Drones can reach areas that are inaccessible to ground units, providing critical support during high-pressure situations. From managing traffic to overseeing large gatherings, drones offer efficient monitoring solutions, ensuring order and safety in every situation. Equipped with advanced technology like night vision, thermal imaging, and AI analytics, our drones enhance the accuracy of threat detection, day or night. While embracing innovation, we are committed to respecting privacy and upholding the law. Our operations are transparent, compliant with regulations, and focused on safeguarding citizens' rights. IPage UMS and the Cyberabad Police, together, we are pioneering the future of law enforcement. Join us as we explore the endless possibilities of drone technology, making our cities safer, smarter, and more secure.